Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to the gang.
And that's on period.
Hey bestie, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Comment down below. Stay connected with your good sis. DM me what's goody in the hoodie. Period. Anyway, you guys, the reason why you clicked on this video is because you want to start a business. And guess what? I'm about to give you all the tea there is to know. Period. Okay? People try to be stingy. They don't try to tell you the secret recipe to get yourself started. So I'm about to tell you what you need to get yourself started. Okay, y'all. I'm starting a business series because people ask me about my business. And granted, my thing is not, ooh, my thing not jumping, but it will be. It will be. It has before. Okay? Period. So I have a list of like different things. Okay, I made a little short list because I really need to sit down and plan out this other video and see how this video does first, to see if you guys even want to know how to find vendors, communicating, making a website. Like if you want that stuff, make sure you comment down below so I can go ahead and make that content for you guys, because I do want to start like a business series because it was stuff I didn't know. I had to learn myself, or you know. Anyway, yeah, so first things first, you're gonna need a not first thing first. This is optional, okay? Because I've been making my way without it, but it could be very helpful if you have the funds to go ahead and buy that. So a labeler, and I'm going to insert pictures and show you on Amazon and link it down below. A labeler. This will help if you have a lash business, especially, so you can label the lashes and the style. It's easier to go ahead and pick that lash out. I don't have that, so I have to I have numbers on mine and I didn't peel the numbers off. And I know it may be a little bit ghetto, but you gotta get it how you live, period. So yeah, y'all, a labeler will help you tremendously. Guarantee you. I don't have one and I can make do without it, so put a star by it because it's optional. You need packaging, baby. When I say packaging, you need to know the difference between a bubble mailer and a poly mailer. Okay, bubble mailer basically is supposed to help keep your stuff from breaking, blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? You've seen a bubble mailer before. A poly mailer is just a bag that you ship it in. Basically, it's basically the bubble mailer without the bubble wrap inside. You feel me? The bubble wrap without the bubble inside, period. And y'all, I'm gonna link the ones I use because I'm not stingy and I'm not trifling. Not stingy, nor am I trifling. Do you hear me? One more time. I'm not stingy and I'm not trifling. The the poly mailers I use are light pink, and I definitely need to get more than one size because some of my orders be a little stuffed and that's not cute. But yeah, next, this is optional. You're gonna need a light box. For certain products, here's a light box. For certain products, you may want that nice white background, you know, crisp, get a good angle and stuff. Not Zaire, not me. The way I do my product photos is, trying to think. Okay, I'm not stingy. I'm going to tell y'all the secret recipe, but I was going to do a video on it. But basically, I remove the background from my picture. So once I take the picture, I remove the background and put that on a different background. You feel me? You following? You following? Go to my website so you can see what I'm talking about. You know, stay a while. Stay as long as you need to. Period. But anyway, yeah, you guys. So a light box will help if you want that crisp white background, and it'll help you have a wonderful, beautiful product photo. Next, for your business, you're going to need a scale. You are going to need a scale. This does not have a star by it. This is mandatory. If you don't get yourself a scale, baby, what? You need to go get you a scale, okay? Scales is like, what, 10, maybe 15, no more than $20, okay? So make sure you're writing this stuff down, baby. Writing this stuff down. But yeah, it's no more than like $20. You need it to go ahead and weigh out your packages so that when you ship them out, you can pay the right amount of money, or the customer pays the right amount of money. And then once they do that, they won't be sending your package back, period. Next, you're gonna need tape. Don't be like me where You didn't get tape until you had a really big order that you had to tape the box up for. Go ahead and get you a roll of tape. Get you a roll of tape, sis. Period. Next, please. You don't have to. But please. Make a website. Make a website. I'm not playing. If you do not make a website, I just seen the video today. The girl bought something without the person having the website. She bought it through DM and they scammed her. They scammed her. Please make a website. Not saying that you're gonna scam people, but it's best to go ahead and have a website so that whenever you start your business, it seems more credible. Just saying. Thank me later. And oh, before you be like, look, trying to answer off my video time how to make a website, baby, let me tell you, I use Shopify. It's $30 a month. Okay, 30 whole smackaroonies a month. Like, why? Okay, that's beside the point. You can use Wix. I think that's like $27, but let me tell you, you can use Big Cartel. Big Cartel, I think it's like $10 for like 5 products. Baby, don't sleep on them. Okay, you can make you a website for the low ski. And that's on what? That's on what? That's on period.
And that's on period.
The next thing that you're gonna need is business cards and thank you cards. So let me tell you, let me spill the tea on the business cards. Period. You know, people, I'm not trying to be funny. I'm a small business owner. So I didn't need 200 business cards. I mean, well, I probably need it. But who is trying to throw out $30 for just the business cards? That's not even the thank you cards. And they probably gonna throw my cards away. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all. You heard this from me. You heard this from Zaire Joy. And I think, because you heard this from me, I deserve a like, maybe a comment, and maybe a share. And if you like me that much, a subscriber. Please. Let me tell y'all. You can go to canva.com, make you a business card, and buy a whole 50 pack. 50 for $11 free shipping. You heard it from me, nowhere else. I've designed both. Let me show you. Hold on, don't exit off. Don't exit off. Yeah, like I said, I made those myself. Okay, and you know, me being me, I paid for the velvet or whatever it is, and it was like $13. But baby, you can't go wrong with Canva. I use Canva to decorate everything. Like, I'm not even finna spill the tea on it, but I use it to decorate everything. And for the business, for the thank you cards, it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's maybe like 15. I think it's like 15. Yeah, and those are my thank you and business cards. It's actually really nice to have a business card. All jokes aside, business card helps. You can hand them out, drop them off, anything you want. Has direct contact to you, basically. So it's always good to have a business card, and you seem more credible once you have one. Oh, and next, you're gonna need a tablet, a phone, I guess a phone, a tablet, or a computer. A computer is probably like the best thing to use to ship your orders. I have a MacBook, okay? I know everybody can afford a MacBook because that was a lot of money, period. But get you any kind of computer. It really don't matter what kind of computer you have, as long as it has Wi-Fi capability, or if your iPad or whatever has you know, capability to connect to the Wi-Fi, you're goody in the hoodie, sis. You're goody in the hoodie, sis, to go ahead and print off those shipping labels and what, period. All right, y'all, last but not least, this right here is the hidden gem you've been waiting for the entire video. The hidden gem. Thermal printer. You need a thermal printer. I know know people be like, get a printer. Baby, I don't have, I mean, a printer is good to have. You can always print off your shipping label and tape it on there. But me personally, I don't have a printer. Okay? I've been in business for November to December, January, 3 months. Okay, I don't have sales every day. But I do not need a printer. I mean, no, I need a printer, but it's not a main priority for me right now. So you can put printer on your list with an asterisk by it, because yeah, I'm saying. But anyway, you need a thermal printer. Let me tell you, you know, every video, Dymo thermal printer, Shopify has a discount. Who is paying I don't have $200 to spend on a thermal printer. I do not have $200 to spend on a printer. And that's even before I get my products. So, let me tell y'all, you can get a free thermal printer from UPS and free labels. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? They talk, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all. You have to call. Hold on, let me pull it up. Okay. So to get your free thermal printer, you need to call it's a number. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Okay, you have to call this number, but before you call this number, you have to make a UPS account. Okay, once you make your UPS account, there should be an option, I think, for like free shipping supplies, and you can get free thermal printer labels. Boom, that's how you get the labels. Now, to get the free thermal printer, you're gonna call the number. Once you call this number, you're gonna tell them, hey, I'm a business owner and I would like to get a free thermal printer. Okay, they're gonna be like, oh, it's $3 a week. Baby, they've never charged me. Okay, and I mean, you can later down the line go ahead and buy you one of them fancy printers, but if you don't have the funds like me when you first started to buy that, baby, that zebra printer come in handy. It be a little janky, like, you know what I'm saying, hit up, smack it a couple times, smack a couple times. I'm just kidding. You have to probably watch a video to set it up, because it was confusing me at first. But like I was saying, you go ahead and get you that free thermal printer and you're goody. And they give me a big box of labels. I don't need any more labels. Okay, I need no more labels at all. But yeah, that's how you get a free thermal printer. Period. But yeah, if you guys like this headband, hold on, my lace showing. If you like this headband, link in bio. Period. Or link in description. Shop the Melanie collection. Period. Alright, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative. I hope you guys learned something about starting a business, and let me know if you guys want me to continue this business series, period, because I would love to. I think my next video, if I do, is definitely going to be on how to find vendors, if that's something you guys are interested in. So definitely stay tuned for that video, period. Code YouTube for 10% off, period. And you guys, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.